Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to learn about every code blocks in this sound effect menu or sounds menu. So this video is for absolute beginners who are trying to know what this sound blocks does, or who just want to know how to play sound effects or music in a Scratch project. So let's start. First of all, let's start from this play sound until done block. So let me drag this play sound until done block. So this block actually is used for playing the musics in loop once you start your project or the game. So let me show you how to do it. So for that let me go to events menu first and drag a when green flag click block. So we start our game every time when we click the green flag. And next we go to control and drag a forever loop. So this forever loop is used for making the code just repeat the code again and again every single time. Yeah, forever means always. So let me drag this play sound until done block inside this forever loop. Now what does it do is it will play this mu sound always. So let's see, if I click on the green flag and that's what happens. Yeah, so we actually use music in this kind of situation. So let's go to sounds tab and let's search for a music, choose a sound, and here to search for music we go to loops, and here we can see different musics. Let's play this. Okay, let's use this dance magic sound or the music. Click and we have this dance magic music. And now we are going to play this music. So it's about 8 seconds of music and it will just keep on playing again and again. So let's go to chords, and here instead of selecting mu we are going to select dance music. And now once we start our project by using green flag, it will just continue to play the music always. It doesn't stop. So let's see, click in the green flag. And that's it guys, that's how we play the music in a loop in our game or project. Now let's go to sounds and let's see what this start sound block does. So let me drag this down sound block, and this start sound is used for playing the sound effects. So let's play the sound effect. To play the sound effect, let me go to events and drag a when space key press block. Yeah, and let's join these two blocks together. And now let's choose the sound effect. The mu sound effect is perfect for this cat. And let's see, if I press on the space bar now, it plays this sound effect just once. Look, if I play, done. Again I press, and that's how we play the sound effect in Scratch by using this start sound block. And next let's go to sounds, and we have got stop all sounds block. So by the name it will just stop all the sounds if the sounds are playing. For example, let me just drag this play sound right now here, and let me play the dance music by clicking here. And if I click on the stop all sound, it will stop that music or any other sound effects. So that's what we do with I stop all sounds. If you want to stop all the music, you will do this. Next let's see what this change pitch effect block does. Yeah, let me drag it. So changing pitch effect of a sound means increasing the frequency or decreasing the frequency of the sound. Yeah, and let me show you what does it mean. So first of all, let me go to events again and drag a when space key press block again, and just connect these two blocks, and we are going to change the pitch effect when we press the up arrow. So when we press the up arrow, we will change the pitch effect by 10. That means the pitch effect will keep on increasing by 10 once every time I press up arrow. So let me show you if we don't change the pitch effect what is the sound. Yeah, if I press on the space, so that's the sound. Now if I press on the up arrow and play the sound again, you can see a little bit of the difference. Let me show you again. If I press again up arrow, look again, and that's what changing pitch effect does. So if we increase the pitch effect, then it will become higher frequency sound. So we can also decrease the pitch effect. So let me show you how to decrease the pitch effect. I will just use these two chords, right click and duplicate, and let me just select down arrow, and let's change the pitch effect by -10, means we start decreasing the sound. So if I play the mu sound, it's like this. Now I press the down arrow, and that's what the pitch effect does. Yeah, when we decrease, it will become of a lower frequency sound. And next, let's go to the sounds, and let's drag a set pitch effect to block. Yeah, so this set pitch effect and change pitch effect are similar, but this will set the pitch effect to a specific value. For example, if I want to set the pitch effect to 500, I can give the number here, and if I click here and play the sound again, mu sound, so that's what happens. Yeah, so it becomes very high frequency. And if I want to decrease the sound effect to 300 pitch effect, then if I play the mu sound again, let me click here and play the mu sound, and that's the sound of the mu. Yeah, so if we decrease the pitch effect, it becomes lower frequency, and if we increase the pitch effect, it becomes higher frequency sound. And next, let's drag this clear sound effect block. So what does it do? By the name, it will just clear all the effects that we have done to our game or the sound. So if I play the mu sound again, it's like this. Yeah, so if I click in the clear sound effect, and if I play the mu sound again, so it clears all sound effect that was done in the game. So generally we use clear sound effect block just after the green flag, like this. Yeah, so once we click on the green flag, it will clear all the sound effects that was done in the previous game, and it will clear all the sound effects and it start playing from the fresh sound effect. So if I click here like this, and if I play mu, it will clear all the sound effects at the start. And now let's see what these three blocks does. It just changes the volume, sets the volume, and it will show the volume, and we can use the volume variable also. So if I click on the checkbox here, so we can see the volume of the sprite is 100, so it's the maximum value, the 100. And if I drag this, change volume block, and change this volume by -10, and if I click this, it will decrease the volume. Look, 90, 80, 70, 60. So we can increase or decrease the volume by using this block. And if I increase by 10, so it will start increasing. Right now it's 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and changing the volume again will not change because maximum is 100 value. And next, the last thing the set volume does is we can set it to our desired volume. For example, if I want to set the volume to 10, I can set the volume by 10 like this. Yeah, and it's 10% is very small. So if I play the mu sound, it's very small. Yeah, and if I make it 100% again, play the mu sound, and that's the difference in the volume. So these are all the blocks, guys, of the sound effect. And if you guys have learned something in this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.